Hey guys, we're heading to Teluk Batik Beach right now at Perak, the city between KL and Penang, because I'm going back to Penang today. So let's go. I'm excited because it's been a while since my last trip to Penang. I really miss Penang so much. So this is our first pit stop at Tanjung Batik. Let's check it out. They actually have like bazaar thing in here, bazaar stuff. You can literally purchase your swimsuit if you plan to swim. They have a lot of, so they also have like float, bowls, and life jackets before you're heading on the on the way to the beach. Oh, this is so pretty. Look at this. I love it. And yeah, same stuff. They're selling same stuff. And also you can come here for like eating. Here's the beach. I mean, right in front of me. So cool. You can rent this if you want to. They have a lot of like electric scooter and yeah, these are cool. I love it. I don't know how much though. You can rent this and ride all across the beach area. I'm heading to the beach right now. I'm so excited. It's been a while since last time I'm heading to the beach, so let's go. Wow, the beach looks amazing. Can you guys see it? I don't think you guys can see it. It's still a little bit far away, but we are approaching. Oh yeah, the breeze are amazing. The breeze is amazing, sorry. I get confused. Hello. Hi. Hi. So cute. You can see like a lot of kids also in here enjoying their time at the beach. Lots of people like picnic, doing like some picnic and stuff. Oh my god, I never expected they're going to have a lot of people at the beach. So nice. And look at my shoes. And it's pretty sunny too. They have like banana boat, jet ski. Kind of cool, right? I love this vibe. You know, like lots of people, they are doing like picnic. Yeah, I want to go a little bit further, but you can sit over here if you want to. Wow. And it's super sunny in here, guys. I think it's around 30, 32 Celsius, something like that. 33 Celsius. I need to wear a cap because it's so sunny. But unfortunately, I forgot my glasses. So I don't have glasses with me. But yeah, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna record later, guys. They're playing volleyball right here. So cool. Oh, it's so good to play volleyball by the beach. Amazing. I wish I could join, but I didn't wear like the right outfit. Let's go. This is so relaxing. I love the vibes in here. sit over there. I just want to sit and relax for a while under the sun to turn my skin slightly tan. Not too tan because I don't like to be too tan because it doesn't look nice on me. Oh guys, this is incredible. I love it. Check out my view. Wow. So relaxing. Oh my gosh. I will update you guys later. I want to relax for a couple of minutes before we heading to Penang, Malaysia. The weather is like so hot today. It's like 33 or 32-ish, and having ice cream is like the best thing ever. Tak kacang? Panas-panas makan es krim memang best.
Ya. Saya tadi sudah makan satu.
Itulah. Macam aunty lagi lah. Kalau macam rasa nak makan je makan.
Tapi
Taukit.
coklat sudah jemur. Macam ini boleh lah. Lagi
Kan, coconut kan. Saya pun tak suka macam campur-campur ke, saya suka coconut ice cream.
Ya. Itu sudah jemur, sudah lama kan.
Betul? Nice.
Dari kecil-kecil sudah makan itu.
Betul.
Dulu saya
Ini macam rare, susah mau jumpa coconut ice cream. Kena pergi Thailand.
Ini Thailand punya.
Thailand punya kan.
Thailand dulu ada.
So you don't need to go to Thailand, you can just literally purchase in here. Betul.
Ini tempat lain pun ada.
Tak ada kan? Betul, saya pun sudah pergi banyak beach tapi datang memang susah mau cari coconut ice cream.
Ini saja ada.
Yeah. Thank you aunty, bye bye. See you. I got my coconut ice cream. Oh, so good. I want to stop my vlog because I want to eat this one. Hi. Hello. Those kids. So yeah, let's go. Oh my god, it's so sunny in here, guys. Also in here they have couple of varieties kind of street food, which is kind of okay if you want to try. They have like this vibe similar to Thailand street food, which is I really love. They have burgers and mostly coconut drinks. I got my coconut ice cream, but I still can't eat it because I'm walking. Hello. 45. Oh. Yeah, these drinks are amazing. Okay, I think we're heading to the car right now, so we'll record later. Or maybe I should just continue recording. If you're hungry, you can eat over here. They have like lots of. Ooh, I need to be careful. It's so dangerous. Okay, I'm heading to my car, so we need to walk again past all of this bazaar. Wow, look at this. It's made from corals. Hey guys. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. So right in front of me is actually the dam. Here is Penang Dam. So it's kind of beautiful, but today the weather is too sunny until we can't really see the mountain behind that. So let me try to zoom if you can see clearly. Hey guys, we're at Penang National Forest or National Park, which is totally beautiful. They have like mini river down here. Look at that! How pretty! So peaceful in here. I love it. So let's go inside and see what they have. I will update you guys later. There's a lot of people in here. Welcome to the Hunger Games. I'm just kidding. Look at the bridge, the floating bridge is actually really beautiful. But look at my shoes. I can't go out down there because they have like stairs. So I just like standing here. It's okay because I'm still in the middle of the forest right now. It's really gorgeous. So peaceful. And yeah, I'm sweating. It's like 20, not 20, 30 something. It's really hot in here, as you guys can see. Woo. But yeah, nice workout. They also have like a couple of plants. This one's called Araucaria, and there's a people come observe. And down there you can see like mini river. Really beautiful, absolutely stunning. I love in here. Check this out, guys. It's actually Penang Forestry Museum. It's the Museum Perhutanan Pulau Pinang. Yeah, you can go inside. I think it's free. Yeah, it's free for everybody, so you can literally go there and check it out by yourself. Because I don't really have time to go inside there. Just like sweating like a freak right now. And I'm heading out already. You guys can go climb for do some hiking or whatsoever. You guys can end up on top of the hill, or you guys can also cross over to the other side of Penang Island, which is will direct you to the Monkey Beach. Yeah, so if you have enough stamina, you can do that. I will surrender myself for that. Don't sign up for me for any cardio at the moment because I'm not interested. But yeah, as you can see, we have the plan in here. So Anda berada di sini, so we're right there at the point, at the starting point. You guys can walk or hiking, doing some hiking all over, and they have like camping section too for you guys if you're interested to do some camping. Yeah, kind of amazing though. I love it. But maybe I will come next time because I already lose too much energy for today, for this couple of days, because I'm from Kuala Lumpur to here. And I guess I will update you guys later. Hey guys, I'm end up right here at the IKEA. And look at all these cuties. So cute. Simba, the little Simba. I think that's all guys for today, and I'm heading somewhere tomorrow, maybe for a new adventure. So I'll update you guys later. Bye.